at Universal today, and we are walking from the Aventura where we stayed last night over to Sapphire Falls.
You've never been there before?
No, we haven't. We've walked through it once, but we are actually going to stay there tonight, so you can look forward to a room review. But it's early in the morning, and we are walking over there to take the boats into the parks, so you can follow along.
We stayed in Sapphire Falls for 2 nights, and it quickly became one of our absolute favorites. It's a beautiful hotel. I mean, look at this light fixture. We love it. And then our room was very close to the boat docks, which was also an amazing perk. The buses are great, but we love the water taxis. They're such a relaxing ride to City Walk. Of course, it depends on where your room is, but for us, since we were so close to the docks, I'd say it took us about 15 minutes from our room until we were walking in the park. They're just, at this time of day, there wasn't really any crowds, and there was no wait for the boat, and so it was pretty quick getting into the park from our hotel. This is the boat dock area. And before we get into the room review, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We didn't do as much exploring of the hotel as we wanted to, but this is just to give you a little bit of an overview of what we saw. This is one of the restaurants in the hotel. We heard they have amazing breakfast here, so that is definitely on our list next time we come to this hotel. Is it just us, or does this staircase look like something out of Harry Potter? It's so cool. This is the swimming pool, and then we saw an arcade as well, which looked really impressive. And finally, this was the gym area.
Okay, so we just got to our room at Sapphire Falls, and this is the first time that we are staying here. So we are super excited. And this mirror is really, really cool. There's a lot of different colors on there, and it's got the light inside of it, which is really cool too. So we've got our soap, and there's some glasses there with the sink, some tissues, and there's some towels underneath, and a nice little basket there. And this is the bathroom. It has a sliding door here. And then this is the shower. I really like the shower curtain. It kind of matches the colors that are on the mirror outside there. So here's some more soap and shampoo. And it's just a nice regular tub with a shower. Alrighty, so here is the closet here.
And my backpack is already in here just because I didn't want to put it in there because I want to show you the room, so I put it in here. That is not included, that is mine.
So that's a really nice closet there. You can hang robes up or anything else that you'd like.
And there's a hair dryer and looks like an ironing board. There's a safe.
Yeah, so that's a nice amount of storage space there. And there is the TV, which has more storage as well, if you need to put anything in there. Let's see. That has a fridge inside, which is really nice. Let's see what is in here. So there's more drawers. Those drawers actually remind me of the old drawers at Disney. Those are very nice drawers if you use those. They have 4. And this is a Keurig machine, and they have decaf coffee, green tea, French roast. Got some half and half there if you like coffee or tea. And I really like this lamp. I think it's very cute. I like the style of it. And then they have some really pretty artwork here. There is some bottles of water. It is $7.50 for the bottle. That's a really nice desk. It has glass on top of it, so it's nice and shiny. But these are the 2 beds that are here.
I love the pillows.
I do too. And it's got a nice artwork there too. It's really nice. The room is bright, and I really like it. They've got a nice little bottle of sanitizer there. Love my sanitizer. And then, you know, they have a pen and a notepad, which you don't really see as often as you used to. I like that. So yeah, this is our room. It is the 3rd guest house is what this room is, and it's on the 1st floor. So we should be really close to the boats though, which will be really great when we go to the early admission over at Islands of Adventure. So that makes it really nice. The boats are awesome. I think that's one thing that makes this room and hotel really nice. So at this hotel at Sapphire Falls, they have 3 guest houses. And so we are in the 3rd guest house, which puts us closest to the boats, which I think is a really, really nice perk.
We love the boats.
Yeah, we really love the boats, especially when you're going to the early admission. Right now, the early admission is at Islands of Adventure, and that really helps save time. In my opinion, they're a lot more convenient than even the buses, and I know the buses are really nice here, but the water taxis are the way to go. So I think this may be our new favorite hotel.
If I'm not mistaken, I think she said the boats run every 15 minutes. So that's not a bad wait.
No, and we left the park. It is nighttime right now, and we left the park. I mean, it was really close to closing it, and there was nobody in line. I mean, we walked right onto the boat, so it was really, really nice. Another perk about the water taxis is that it actually takes you all the way through into City Walk. So if you've been on the buses before, like you pass all of the shops and the moving walkways and all of that, you're already, you know, just literally steps from each of the parks. So you don't have to walk through there.
Right, it's kind of by Voodoo Donuts. Like
yeah.
That area.
Yeah, that's kind of where it lets you out at. So it makes it a lot nicer and saves you steps in the morning. But yeah, so far we are loving this hotel. And we hope to see you again in our next video.